Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an eye look using the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. So this is going to be the first time that I ever used this little one. So let's check it out. Gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, gorgeous. I love the glitters in them. Alright, so first we're going to start with Hush Hush, which is this color here. These colors are really pretty. Very natural. So that color is set. Oh, by the way, I'm using the MORPHE M441, okay? We're gonna jump into Pizzazz now. We're gonna jump into Rockstar, which is this purple here. Morphe M433 brush. Ooh, pigmented, bitch. Now we're gonna jump into Mystic, and that's gonna go on the outside of the eye. It's a darker purple, kind of like a plum color, which is right over here. Looks good. Where's the music at? We're gonna use the Berry Treasure just to lay it on top of that Mystic color, which is Berry Treasure, which is this one here. Oh, girl, that's a lot of pigment. Look at that.
Jesse in for JoJo tonight. He's so bummed he missed his top 99 tonight. Good luck with your album. It's untitled.
It's probably going to be called The Original Doll. So.
And it's half done?
Yeah, it's half done.
And now we're going to dig into the Gem, which is this purple here.
And this is Mona Lisa, and it's number one.
Number one? Number one!
And how she suddenly fell. And I see everyone knew her. They know her all so well.
Don't be scared if you're getting raccoon eye. You're gonna fix that with the concealer, okay? So for the inner corner of the eyes and here, we're gonna jump into Bling Bling, which is this nice shimmery pink tone here. We're gonna dive in with one more color just for the top here to kind of blend everything together. So we're gonna jump into Glitz and Glam just to blend the top a bit. Alright, now it's time for lashes.
It's a crazy little thing.
For the lips, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. lipstick pencil in the shade Praline. We're gonna use the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss lip plumping gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. We're just gonna finish off with a little more highlighter because there's never enough highlighter. Never enough. Alright guys, well that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what I should do next. I love suggestions and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and thank you so much for watching the video. If you made it this far to the video, leave the number 7 in the comments and with a little extra comment. Why not? I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.